Sibire kurungi twakutangirira eshaha neza gacencire ibiro byo kwezi nebiro 30 kwezi no kubanza umwaka ne 2026 Serena Nuwamanya ne Sande ito turabentu kutwara mu gacencire agutwatebekanisa omwebaziyo gunsa kwakira emtu y'amakuru tugaruce n'amakuru mbwejire.
Emitwe y'amakuru ne kuhikibwaho
yelanji wa Global aleta wenjawulo ku bisenge. Tulina Global Silk Vinyl asigibwa munda, Global Weather Coat asigibwa ebweru ne Global Mat owazisiring.
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma mu human resource management.
Omugacencire kireki ebigezo bya PLE ebye-2025 byashohora abojo bakozireje okusinga bishiki.
Since the inception of UPE, hundreds of thousands of our children who would otherwise have not had education due to challenges of school fees have been able to complete primary school cycle.
W'imyaka 17 bamutemereho umukono babire barwanire emitware na omuri Kagadi.
Baba kutuzireki dinamo y'inyungwe tuba turi mu muhanda.
Enganzi y'ihanga neyenda ngo hatagaruka kubaho kureta abakozi okuruga heru y'ihanga okukora projects za government.
We are tired of being abused by local villagers.
Agacencire ombwejire ekitongore kiri kujunanizibwa okubuza bejo mu ihanga echa UNEB rizaba cyashoboza ebigezo eby'ecyamushanju ebyakozirwe omukwezi ku 11 omwaka 2025 omukoro gwakorwa Minisitiri w'Ebyobwegese Janet Kataha Museveni omuri Nakasero Kampala.
Minisita w'Ebyobwegese n'emizano hona naboro mukamukuru w'ihanga Janet Kataha Museveni nowe yakura okushohoza ebirugiro mbibuzo bya PLE eby'omwaka 2025 omuri Nakasero Kampala kandi Dan Nokorach Odongo ori mukuru w'ekitongore kya UNEB yashobora kwa bejo bakozire.
Mama, I report the overall performance by grades, that is distinction, credit and pass levels. The performance of candidates in the 4 subjects is compared over the 2-year period of 2025 and 2024 in the table below.
Obuwa ori chairman w'akakiiko ka UNEB yatabarusya beja bahikire ebibuzo bya PLE ebyakozirwa haro by'okwezi 3 hamwe n'ebiro 4 ebyokwezi ku 11 omwaka guhire gw'2025.
Overall, more candidates have qualified to proceed to join the next level or cycle of education than in 2024. I have no doubt that with the efforts government has put towards expansion of access to post-primary education, all nearly 730,000 learners graded or passed will find places in secondary and vocational schools.
Permit me, Mama, to appreciate all stakeholders who has contributed to strong values to build strong character and quality education for our country.
Omubigambo bye Janet Kataha Museveni yasima UNEB abashomesa hamwe n'abazira batiro hagabo kureba ngo bana bahika yatabarusya beja bakire bibuzo kandi yasima mukuru w'ihanga abo kutandika UPA yabeje bingi baganyirwemo.
Since the inception of UPE, hundreds of thousands of our children who would otherwise have not had education due to challenges of school fees have been able to complete primary school cycle. With the renewal of the mandate now of the NR
bojo basingireyo gukora kurungi ishome rya science rero kandi abishiki basingireyo gukora kurungi Orungereza
kama Rwanda bizeho natungize aggregate 5 n'ubundi ntungiye dito science nisima mukama kuza Rwanda bizeho nwanyigiso aho kushoma nisima abashomesa banje abatushomise tukakoraje
nitsima ruhanga habwa aggregate 5 nitsima tine bwarchiro wenko mwana ubundi tinkumanya ntekatekaye ubundi tokamanya yanayandina konkanyo we nitameze mukama yamuha ninsima ntine bugarukira
ahabwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya
Bebare Aidan Bataringaya ekitongore ekiri kutebekanisa ebuzo ebirukwendera omwaka ekyayinebe izoba kucyashuhuza ebuzo by'icyamushanje ningashipe yaroi abo mwaka 2025 abeje abakozireje n'abazire babo bari omashemererwa menje munonga aba batushanga hakitebe cya TV West aha
nechamani cyo kushomesa nechamani cyo nechembo cyahanga hari umuziro tako takufayo kushomesa umuziro takufayo kushomesa ningo yino bari meze kushomesa nafebwe ibintu bindi
teka ibyo bibona nimba bazarahanga tubarwanire munonga na fizi
shema chitembe primary school kuze munani
results zanshanga ndyamuhanda n'intambara ata already yo yayanga network was on and off konga kudani stepping and target tumuka natunga message okukora butano zibire ziremba wazamukamo okukora muno okuba wayikirizo tine cyo gukora tinde cyo ratungi
bire nawe twatuzitegerije so kuzija twazigana
na bano first grade igana kana basha kuri second grade ejo n'abana benshi abishomero ritu kuganyira kugambira kuchisa bano first grade na second grade je effort ubundi yo futeka teka ngo niyo kuzanazanza kandi ngira kusimira stakeholders bona staff ngira kusimira abazire ngira kusimira abeje boboka nibo batira muri amani mingi
Zimatu ino kushemererwa kwamani abakabana bitu babikozireje abana 25 bizira mu first grade abana 2 bijira mu second grade tuyina abana bine buna butano mukaga mbwene ubuzima abana bakoraje munonga kurebwa ngo twakorera PLE kandi ikindi no kwibaza abazire ba Emirates mwe bari kutwereka rukundo mwe bari kutuhagira twebaza Olwa Hamza olwokubanti yafunye obubonero we obuna twebaza abasomesa twebaza abazadde twebaza ne director wa Foramanyi galina.
Thank our mama Madam Chobtun Zainab, the director of Emirates Nursery and Primary School, for giving us a good environment, food, education and love.
Enda kusima abashomesa abana bitu n'abana bitu kutaho umutima bakashomaje kandi bakiyayo ubonero ubwatise kitinisa ninyenda kusima management yona ya Emirates.
Director witu Haji Sulait Musinguzi na Hajat Zainab Karadi atuberireho nkamama witu tubareberera je boarding na de twenda kusima rahanga munonga abo kurukoresa je twenda kusima rahanga abo director witu
umwaka gwitu go kubanza ninga shibete ba pioneer basakora kurungi munonga tukatunga first grade
abo TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon
Mwebade Senyomo Gideon inganzi hanga lobina na banja National Ministry ya Works na Transport okwereza obushobozi abanya-Uganda nuko babase kucendeza akupandisa abakozi okurugo munsi ezaheru na banja ebyabugambo byabakuriro rukiko rwa ministers barukajana aha ntambara zemirimo mu kitongore cy'ebyenguto mu ihanga.
For them they do the donkey work.
Enganzi hanga Robina Nabanja nagira nka government nibetengo kutandika kuyumsya abakozi abanya-Uganda abaruko basakore nguto nuko cendeze kwihobo kugaheru yihanga nko muringo gumugo kutungura ihanga
of supporting deliberately supporting the local contractors to build our economy as a must under your ministry, Jaja. Local contractors like Abubakar, you have those that have attested already. See how to help them with these small projects so that they can build themselves. deliberately.
Yes, ma'am.
Nabanjasha Ministry y'Entambura okuchondoza contractor akwasiba umurimo gwo kurora uruguto rwa Mubende Mitiana okwetegereza imikorere yarwo hamwe n'omutindo.
Mubende Mitiana Road is a thorn in our throat. We the leaders who go through, we are tired of
holding the money. And I want to repeat, the mandate of one form water is not having money. This is the problem. If I can recall Kabuyanda, I participated and I told my PS, let's work together. I was there on the commissioning, but we insisted we use extension workers. But since we did not have money, the people who had the money hired consultants.
Dr. Pamela Mbabazi orukura National Planning Authority of Uganda ahameze ku barukwija kugumana bahereza abanyayuganda umugisha ugwo kubanza babana bagabaza contract za government obwa hati government yone honduzo ruguto rwa Mubende kuzametiana hamwe no rwabusunju kiboga kuzahoyima zombe ziri mu mberambi gasha kwa Thomas Tumwebaze.
Webare Thomas Tumwebaze twaza kumuraho tugaruke n'icweka eca kabiri.
Movit Relaxer Cream, brought to you by Africa's leading hair and skin experts. I get to wear my hair like I live my life.
Agarukurataho Archbishop Kazimba yashababa kurustayo okureka kuhakahaka nahabwa karuro muri kabare.
Cross our peace. Cannot forget you.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo muremba muri Imbarara City. Ahi barukereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, ecanyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaru, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kandi echo kunywa. Nichigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha. Bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV, security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel ne shangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete. Ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36 36
Kurukubujwireje turkwitaga no kugamba aba original garments bari sirempinduko mu kujwara nibajweka abashije nabojo hamwe n'abana na perfume zone bine suits z'umurembe ezimbaga eza office amasata gagumire na t-shirts empare za office hamwe na za casual wear denim jeans hamwe na shirts jumpers na sweaters z'umurembe bine na shorts hamwe na belts enunji abarkwenda vests boxers hamwe na socks original kiraba original garments abashija enkito zanye nunji is the original is our office sneakers hamwe na flats original garments nibashangwa hala Grand Mall Mbarara City a High Street ahamwarugo kubanza room number ya kana note mshanju 82 emwe mshanju mukaga note na note mshanju note emwe mshanju mukaga note. Kurugera kimwumbuji mu bwenshi
kushoza ankore Uganda ahi ensinembe hononje birkweza burujuma rw'umwani ekitarya handi burujuma n'uruhingwa no kwegendesereza kandi rushoromwa ry'abahingi kurinda itaka hamwe no kubaho bukogo ahara Ankore Coffee Producers Cooperative Union ACPCU nitweretera umwani gukarangirwe je gunozere gwinaka hoho komutindo hasa guterekana isigweje kora biro metendere kere ukongera ibirungo byitunyamurungi abahingi n'eminyeto no bahwerwa Ankore Coffee omunkora yo kutungure byaro nywa umwana umurungi kumutano ogwa Ankore Coffee ugutafuhirirwe n'imibazi ogurkwamagara marungi kandi ogora kusya kiroto cyawe buzimeki n'ikirungo cyitu cyo buhangwe cy'ikere kwenda kumenya biro kuceraho tera note munana note ishatu note 5
Noro no mwanya gw'obuhumuro ogurimo businge kandi guboniro muri Mbarara City Summit Gold Hotel ni toburaro bwo murembe buri kishenge kiri mu DSTV intercom na wifi tuneza cottages za gardens impango ezokoramo amagenyi agaburikika oine business meeting leta abantu bawe conference hall tune restaurant ekutebekanse ebyo kurya ebyaburi muringo rero cyaka kukiringa bine bara erimo ecyo kunywe cy'ikacyo echo rukwenda ebyo kwerinda byitu bicebembire bindi byona okubukinga tera 07520 tusanje asungine nakatare kakatozo akashozi kabeharwe omuri Mbarara City.
Bumbeire Secondary School Day and Boarding eri kushangwa Bumbeire Bushenyi District ekwiniro bwegese burungi kandi bwo mutindo gwa higuru binabashomesa batendekirweje abeji nibahikira hidara rya higuru buri mwaka nirimwo mu mashomero agari kwijagebembire Bushenyi District. Bumbeire Secondary School ine library na laboratory na computer lab ziri kwemalirira ahabwa abeji kandi zirya mutindo gwa ministry wegese bine UNEB center number emyanya kiriho okurwo munsi niyo yo kubanza okwiko munsi niyo yakana 2026 kumanye biri kukiraho tera note mushanje 2 ashatu na mwenda 21 ugambe na director Mr. Barahuka Denning
abatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki 2
bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara keki tukazakunywa mbogo
na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanyuire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ningende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba murungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
otwiro ine cyetengo cyo kushuma bunasi obuzarisa Evrin Health Training Institute Mbarara City ishomere rikushomesa bunasi obuzarisa arurengo rwa certificate diploma mugoranyi ari Mbarara Community Hospital ija oyetunjiro bukugu okwandika beje basya kuri ni kugenda mu misha hishomero
okumenya birakiraho tera noti mushanju 50 abrinina nkaga ugambe na principal.
Evrin Health Training Institute Mbarara City improving community health.
You used to tell me that I don't make you happy. All that time you would be complaining. I'll call you every day. Yeah, yo, baby, don't go.
You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks. Kubei Dondolo. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000 or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100*21# and select daily or use the My MTN app. When we talk together, we are unstoppable.
Emyaka mingi ombazi gwito gwa mino gwa AGACENCWIRE na Fresh Up gubire no gutereza kurunji munonga kubasa kurinda mino no kwetantara kunuka akano na hati gumano kukozesa AGACENCWIRE na Fresh Up kwenda ngu akanwa kawe kagumenuka humuraje izoba ryona. AGACENCWIRE na Fresh Up nibikuhereza kawo karunji munonga yejumbiro mbazi ogwa AGACENCWIRE na Fresh Up dero oyiyongera kusheko mbantu otine kwetina aha kasente kache munonga hichira za supermarkets n'amaduka gakuri hihi okwetorora ihanga ryona. AGACENCWIRE na Fresh Up ni gombazi gonka ogwo kurinda mino gitu.
Tumu Medical Institute irashangwa muri Rugongo Karungu Buhweju District barakira beja bojo n'abeshiki okwija kushoma certificate y'obunasi nursing certificate y'obuzalisa midwifery diploma y'obunasi extension diploma y'obuzalisa extension itenda cyo handisiwe mu bwijire omu ministry y'obwegesi nemizano kandi na center number okuruga mu Unimap itenda cyo ginentani sabwo buherezo skills lab ejire byo kushomeraho abashomeza batenda kigweje library jire bitabo internet na wifi bushabwa beje na staff igwariro ryo kuragurira beje bagwara intambura ya bushabwa beje babarahumura na babarahumuruka ebyo kuriya biri fresh kuruga mu famu zitendekero abeje bona baratunga buraro bwa busha umwanya ni muhango kandi gwehererire abwo beje kushoma kurunje abeje barashoma certificate barashashura sirinje miliyoni 1.50 aba diploma bashashura sirinje miliyoni 1.1 okumenya birakiraho tera not mushanju 5 mushanju ni 5 mushanju ni 3 10 excellent innovation and diversity in health.
Omuzaire otaferwa mu gishogo St Kana International Secondary School erukushangwa kilomita 10 haruguto rw'ishaka Kasese Kashozi Butare ryine byone byo mwegera kwetenga kushongo ko mucyo n'ubwegesi ishomero mixed boarding on A level kandi bina bashomeza batendekirwe munonga nibashomeza arts na sciences computer training agriculture na farming bina stocked library na modern equipped science laboratories ebyemezana mbwenu bobembira amashomero gona omuri Bushenyi district abeje bareberwa munonga kandi school fees nizibasubwa buri omwe registration yatandikira ishomero buri zoba kutandika nakasheshe kusyo mwabazi tera no tumushanju 5 kinana nina 18 fear God and excel.
Mizamu n'amakuru akagwe kagwera abatura bakakomero umugomborero rya Burora mu district ya Kagadi ubwo musigazo w'imyaka 17 atemerweho mukono umukavuyo ko kurwanira M2
ahashaha munana gweciro Morris bakashabarahanga w'imyaka 17 abire narwo mukebera kucebere tanuri y'amakara no hashangira abasigazi babiri barukurwanira M2 kandi kwaba murikire mutoki nuko kumuhindukira bakamutemaho umukono ogutu amushanga y'irwaro rya St Luke Medical Clinic umuruburora
yatwambugine umuhanda ariko ari uyayike umuhanda tukuza mu kibiro gusura tanuru umushawu wawe yayine n'umuru twamuterire metoki uza kwiruka rero nantara mabande mire no kuntema narebire kuganyuma nayi kamwita
tiwarwanire nabo baba kutuzireke
tina mayenyugwe tuba turi mu muhanda
Bernard Mwesugwa ishe umusigazogu nagirangwa Bernard yagumizamo yashobora ngutubine mpara nayona na muntu wena ahacareki abatura nibagiranga mu kwezo kwahwire haro habantu batema batemera mu kazi kandi nabo bakamucwaho umukono
ikikuniriza atakarabireho miezi 2 umakwa ora akaba mu Christmas abo mu kazondi from the same village nanka kafene era nabo bakareta umukaza bamutwiraho umukono kandi nabwo iraguri mu kivera so timanyire kafeno ko haroki zibukiyo bahakwetagayo intervention ekwisana eta timanyire abembezi baserekyo kwakora
ikizi saha burora ubutemo bwayongeye bwo kuba mu kwa 12 abantu niho twaturiho abantu bari kujaguza batema umugoro kuboko kuvaho kumara kumutema deni turukwebwere butakiyongeyeho bwinshi batemera n'umusigazi ukuboko nagukuviyeho kitaturame kiri kukanya muri burora cyane
abaturani benda government bahereze police mu cekeki nukwe base kucendeza habikorwa bibi umuringo nugugumwe Godfrey Tumwizere wakirira hacyo kufa wenyuma y'umutura mutayi wo kumutere mfuka hamutwe ubwe baryo mubara
ndava mu nyiraza hanje kugerayo muturwana twafaki ndi kubanja urugumbanja turufaki ndagamba nyine utanyakora mu Rwanda ndava mu nyiraza kwaki ndaza hanje ndaruka mu
Archbishop Kazimba yashababa ku rustayo okugarukana bwanyuma ya karuru
A time to come back and continue serving the Lord. No need
easy. We are good children. We are good children.
yayongera yabashaba kurinda obusinge aba kuba Yesu nakunda obusinge kandi ngo nubo bwamuresera mu nsomo.
There is Christ. Let me invite you. Have you lost your person? And that's where your hope was. There is hope in Jesus. There is peace in Jesus. There is peace in Him. Others can forget you. Christ our peace cannot forget you.
yabehanangiriza obutahurwa warangi hamwe n'ebibina by'obutegetsi abo kubanga abantu nibija kugumana baturana kumwe.
The blood of Jesus. All of us were cleaned by the blood of Jesus. You can see here. We are children of light, children of sun. So these colors shouldn't really divide us. We are good children.
yagaruka yabashaba kugira ngo bakorere ruhanga bakina amani batakija kwifuza nyansiya kandi bakorere batayi babe birungi.
In our pains, He's our God. In our challenges, He's our God. When we are jubilating, we should remember to thank Him and jubilate responsibly. Christ is our peace.
abekereza abanyadini n'abembezi ba government bateranira hamwe mu kutandika uruteranoru. Gashakwa Nelson ahimsiwe.
Webare Nelson ahimsiwe twaza kumuraho netugaruka.
The management of Plus 2 High School in Bushenyi informs the parents, the learners, and the general public that first term 2026 will commence on the 10th of February 2026. The office is open from Monday to Friday for those that wish to seek admissions in Senior 1, Senior 2, Senior 3, and Senior 5. The school is located in Nyakabirizi, Bushenyi district. For more information, please contact the head teacher on 0772 006 426 or 0703 069 869, or you can call the MD on 0782 489 111.
Katochi katochi eino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi okurugera izoba abantu banje tibarigaruka kugire nako hamutima ryaguma bina mashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munywecho katochi eino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi eina chama chayo muhute katochi yerya hamutindo katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho.
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi minji. Amashomaga gona nagabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University. Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses. Netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu Rukungiri kandi okwehandikisa nukugendo misho. Tera enamba zesimu 0 mushanju 2 9 9 0 5 1
twakuretera ishomero nyamurungi Light Secondary School Nyabubare Bushenyi District niryo bojo nabishiki kandi ni day na boarding ine unib center na license ya ministry y'ibyo bwegese bamazira ubwire buringwa bari gukora job bigezo ibya senior ya kana na senior ya mukaga omuri Bushenyi District binerayi kandi bibyona nibihwera beji okwikaja amashomo gabo nishangwa umugombora ya Nyabubare omuri Igara West bakine emyanya mu senior yo kubanza okukasini ya mukaga iwe tire simu uyetunjira umwanya notu mushanje ina 3 5 5 nemwe 30.
Obwengula obulabika obulungi okutuukira ddala ku ttaka erya langi eya kitaka. Langi zino tuzirabira ne ku bisenge, ku mmotoka ne mu bunyonyi kw'ossa ne mu bisolo eby'enjawulo. Langi eno erungi ya buli kimu. Langi bwe bulamu.
Okusinziira ku langi ez'enjawulo enkumuliitu ze tulina ku Global Paint, ye langi wa Global aleetawo enjawulo ku bisenge. Tulina Global Silk Vinyl asiigibwa munda, Global Weather Coat asiigibwa ebweru ne Global Matte owazisiringi. Weefunire langi ya Global ku hardware yonna ekuli okumpi. Global Paint, a reliable product.
Twakwakira ahari Chizoba Girls Secondary School aho bushongoce buri kutura nitukorerera obusinguzi obwo turi kubangura bishiki omashomo ga arts na sciences okuhangaho bisya hamwe n'ebya teknolojiya ebiri kwetengwa omukatare k'emirimo. Ishomero ryitu niryesimisa ibiciro bya karumagizi za laboratory za science na computers hamwe n'abashomesa abaine omwete gwo gukora umurimo gwabo. Omubyemizano ebikopo tubitwire twabemarayo. Abeji beitu batendekirwe ombyo kwebembeza n'okundi ihanga ryabo twine byenjenda ebiri kwetengesa ahabwenta yayo zo kwega. Generator eri standby otafera umugisha ogwo kureta muhara wawe akashongorwa ahishomero erikirizeyo kwegesa bishiki. Chizoba Girls, groom and blossom for all-round excellence.
Na hatutokikiriza ngurika shemeryo kutandika kwega hatshori inzira ngo abaze yamero ruju. Ahari Aliana Junior School twehire kutebekanisa no kwegesa umwana wawe tukamushomesa kandi tukamugunjura kurungi. Twine nasare na primary ahambuga nkuru zishomero rwebihurosero korano rya town council Mbarara City abashomesa bitu nemirya abana nibareberwa kurungi kandi byo kwerinda bimemize shonda zona nangu nebisere byishomero nibibasibwa buri yomwe okwenda kumenya buri kucaraho 0 mukaga mushanju 9 na mwenda 20 na mushanju 9 na mushanju na 0 mushanju ina mukaga 9 ni 3 mushanju na 8 9 nemwe.
Aliana Junior School, a great start.
Empowering girls of today and tomorrow. Welcome to Chivura Girls Secondary School, the premier girls secondary school located in the heart of Ibanda town near the Diocese of
Ishi nibashomesa arts hamwe na sciences na A-level kandi bine day hamwe na boarding nibahabasarizi abana bine taranta hamwe nabo abari koraje omukibina bine fully stocked library computer lab kandi timu yabo yo mupira ino mukago na Crystal Palace eyabungereza Shuku Vocational School ebishare byayo nibibashyira buryomwe kandi binabashomesa abatendekirweje. Leta umwana wawe agunjuke tera noti mujanje 2 nkaga na mwenda noti 8 5 na 2. Shuku Vocational School, education for prosperity.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Omuzere kandi omukoza munywani wanje otwiraro ndishomero eryo natekamo mwana wawe akakubera wo mugasho mubwire bwo mumeisho isomero ni limwe ryonka ni St Kagwa Day and Boarding Nursery and Primary School Bushenyi abampaha binabashobesa barungi abaragunsura mwana wawe akabapo haza mwana warahango tayebwa ditwegesa nabana bitu debate okwesongora nkenyonza kandi nemicwe nico twebembizi haza nekindi tune nasari yiteri kwesi musaburi gomwe kandi abeji bitu ni bari ya balanced diet lero twahika habya mizano buri yomwe natero buzuruzi omubya security twire CCTV cameras hamwe n'abasirukare bari kumara hamwe n'uburaro burungi haza amakuru marungi garingo twine myanya kuri gahari nasare mpaka P6 ebirasinga hompaho gambana mukuru w'ishomero hano tumushanju 2 54 not emwe 33 St Kagwa Day and Boarding Nursery and Primary School Bushenyi Day at no.
Gumizamu n'amakuru abantu ba district ya Ryantonde bahigwa okumanya omugasho n'amakuru go gwegese aha abana babo amakuru aga twagashanga hari Bagen Primary School mu Ryantonde bari kujaguza obusinguzi obwa PRE
ebitaguriro akali n'amatwenje g'omutano nibyo twashanga hari Bagen Primary School Ryantonde obwe bari koleka obusinguzi n'omutindo go bwegese
yonganye kinkubasa kukigambaho omwana takumenya kandi cyo gukora nabana kimana okushoma wakongera ha amagezi agenza arimo bityo umwana yawe nebera umungi namunonga wamutwara mu ishomero ry'umungi.
From the analysis of the results of 2025, we have actually come to realize that the girl children have beat up the boy children in the exams. So we encourage the parents, please bring up the girl child.
Tukasitamya abana 20 abigezo bya PRE umwaka okwire bona batunga first grade bona bizuru first grade first digit aggregate na mnonga twebaza mukama ruhanga mnonga twebaza abashomesa bitu abazire abatamwa mani minji tubebaza mnonga
omunumwe twashanga abazire abashomesa nabeji haza batugambire bihame bibaretire kuhinduka bo mutano abarukushajiko bwegese nabo basimwa kandi baraganisa kushikiriza ibiroto byabo byanyensya okurabiro mukarama.
My son managed to get aggregate 7. I'm very happy.
Parents and the staff for having supported us, for all of us for getting the fine. Thank you very much.
All those teachers, I thank them for teaching me well. I thank Mosit Chotim and Mr. Venga Rogers.
Sande William, ahabwa TV West.
Mwebare twaza kumuraho tugaruka.
Nyikiriza nkwanjurira ishomero rurunje ryo mutindo Exodus College School Wakiso hihi na Wakiso Town Hoima Road ona erevo kandi bine center number Exodus College yinagandi mashomero gari hasi yago Mirembe Exodus Senior Secondary School na Exodus Kinder Care and Junior School abeje mifariso baragishanga hishomero ebyase curite ni guruguru ishomero riri ha musinje gwe kanisa na madina gandi baragacira buri nyikiriza ababurenje rwizoba babigurire office mu kibuga mbarara aha Amazon Building Fro yo kubanza umwaruro gwa kabiri room nambi 12 gamba nabo mu office 0 mushanju mwende 2 kinana nemwe inshanju 15 0 mushanju 00 ashatu neina kinana na munana kinana ne 2 ukwandika beji kuri kugendo mesho.
Start something new, something uplifting, something so effortless and golden. A thirst-quenching burst of sweetness and malty flavor. So rich and full of memories. Savor it. Feel it elevate every moment. Sip after sip, gulp after gulp. After all, life's about turning ordinary thrills into golden chills.
Start something malty with the new Evervest malt apple and pineapple. Try the burst of sweetness sweetness and malty flavor. It's 100% taste, zero alcohol. Available in a shop or supermarket near you. Evervest Malt. Make every moment golden. Evervest Malt is from the makers of Pepsi Cola in Uganda.
St. Julian High School Gayaza. Twinira umwana wawe ubwegese bw'omutindo okurwa musine yo kubanza okiko musine ya mukaga abwa arts na sciences. Abeji nibagobero mu laboratory yitu eri mu buri kimwe na library yo mutindo eri kushongera abana okika kurunje bigezo. Twinene mishomo yebye mikono abeji bari kwekwatiramo bakatungo kumanyira hamwe n'imyoga yo kwebisaho. Manya music, dance and drama hamwe n'ebyemizano nitubitahesira okuretera abeji okuguma bina magara marungi no kweyesiga. Ebyombeko byitu byombekirwe kurungi okurinda jabeji no kubaho mwanya gw'obugwaji gwo kushomera mu kurungi nkabaryo muka. Turiyo ntwandika beji okurugo musine yo kubanza okiko musine ya mukaga. Tera esimu noti mushanju mukaga hatano ni itano noti mwenda 13 ninga noti mushanju inamushanju noti itano 30 noti mushanju.
Welcome home to entertainment, to Wi-Fi everywhere, to high-speed internet, to security, to first-class support. To convenience. Welcome home to MTN WakaNet. Superior internet for every home. Visit www.mtn.co.ug/WakaNet. Welcome home. Together we are unstoppable.
Royal College Makindye ni isomero rya private erya day na boarding erukushangwa Makindye opposite na Magistrate Court ryakira boje n'abishi abwa amashomaga art na ga science O na A level bine library na laboratory by'umurembe bahereza beje mfaraso ebukopo S1 na transport yabsha abwo kumura no kumuruka kwa beje bine ineb center
no batendeke ndumi nka French, Kiswahili, Uganda n'izindi nyingi
rukiraho terra aba Royal College Makindye are not mshanju 82-15 Royal College Makindye. Education is the key. Royal College Makindye.
New Vision aha myaka 80 bakuretera makoma butunu live on concert bwanyuma y'imyaka 25 bakaririrwe aba makoma bagaruka ku tetero cy'amani ecyo kweshongora no kwisa urwa katanu ebiro mukaga byo kwa kashatu omwakogu aha Rukororo Independence Grounds Tera Star 25 okugura tickets ziyashinje mitware 5 ahabwa bona 15 ahabwa VIP 25 ahabwa VVIP wayende meza tera not mushanju 58 chenda na mkaga 11 mkaga na mkaga tariho kuguruza ticket aha miryango utakaburaho makoma live on concert Bishagikire Pacific Events Lion Records.
St. Michael High School Rugazi ni ishomero rirungi eryo mutindo kandi riri kwesimisa ni ishomero rya government ahansi ya USE rya musinje gwekerezia ni rya day na boarding ni rya kira bojo n'abishi ni rishomesa science na arts ona A level bine library yo mutindo computer lab ni nungi eri mu buri kimwe classrooms eziri kumara kandi zo mutindo ni bashomesa bari kutomu nkora nka curriculum mensia okweri kwegesa bine projects nkorutoche okurise empunu kandi omubyemizano tino ri kubingana aha district abashomesa batendekirweje ebishere byishomero nibibasibwa bashanje Rugazi Rubirizi ninga baterera asimu noti mushanje 2 8 22 30.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through
Yabojo bonka eri bari kushoma bari kurarayo bine ona A-level nibegesa arts na sciences bine computer na science laboratories
ubuzima beji bona nibayikira yiguru administrators na staff n'abahangu batendekirwe kurungi yishomero riryamusinje gwedini kandi abeji bona nibegesibwe mice nibaresibwa kurungi ebyo kwirinda birije.
Hey Makobore High School nishomero erukunda ebyemizano nka football, basketball, volleyball, handball, otebirwe nebya music, dance and drama. Makobore High School twehireyo okubasa kushomesa omwana w'omwojo akaba wo mugasho nyensya nirishangwa rukunjira municipality aha mushozi go bureberezi obwa Kigezi Diocese oburi kwebemberwa Bishop Onesimus Asimwe.
Mureta beji emyanya takahwireyo moto yabo ni Ascendimas ebiri kukiraho tera not mushanju notemwe nkaga ni 5 not ina hatano ni 3 ninga not mushanju 5 nkaga na mushanju anana mwenda nshanju ni 3 ninga not mushanju 82 nkaga na mkaga hatano ni ina makumyana.
Makuru agebye mzano omuvuji wa pitize mpaka Helena Birungi ayerekire kugumiza marukora kurungi omuzano ogo arengo rwa Uganda hamwe na Africa yona bwanyuma yo kuhendera omwaka guhwire omwanya go kubanza.
Bwanyuma yo kuhendera umwaka gw'2025 bimbira abandi b'imyaka yo mu Uganda, East Africa na Africa. Helena Birungi nagira ngo nuko aragumize munakoresa man okureba ngo n'ubwo umwaka yasingure medali.
I won almost all the championships of Uganda. I got first in East Africa 50cc and first in women's junior championship in Africa, and I thank my sponsors, myself for contributing a lot to train every day, my coach, my parents and my opponents.
Omwana ogw'emyaka 10 kandi arugira ha rurengo rw'abataba dige y'amana ga 655 naza kuba nahayana ha rurengo rwa dige ine hamane ya 655 kandi nagira ngo ekiti kiramutegana so mukwayana n'abandi.
My bike had refused to start on the gate while we were going for hit 2. So the mechanic helped me and we started, but still as I had all those problems, I still got number 1.
That means targets ishatu zoko mwaka. But twenda kutwale kopo byona. Twaresha national bagaketuka defending cha Africa Ladies Junior Championship, then tukatwala na CSC. So right now akaza Zimbabwe ya defending chikopo cheye cyabachara abato.
Nagira ngo nubu yakoze ari kurunje umupaka zo no mwaka guhwire ngo bitakagiramwe buzubu ubwaro kugira ngo abarku mutamusente hamwe n'abazirebe nibija gukoraho mwaka gucyo mbase gumiza munasinga. Edison Birungi rishe wa Birungi nagira ngo bamutebekanize kurunje ha stage yagireho okureba ngo yavuga kurunje atine kutegana subwa.
But our target 1 is qualify for CSC and also go back to Namibia where we will have the MXON to Kazakh makes MXON. But our main emphasis is to make sure that the training of the skills to her, our basics is a new class. Nzotukuza ku emphasize ngaho omwako.
Omuzano go gwa pichipichi tegurkweta kwa mubanya Uganda binji kandi Birungi no mwa habavuji mbarwa okurwa mu cyanga cya Ankore. Abwa TV West and Alogias byamukama.
Aloysius Byamukama webare amakuru agabyemzano ngo twabasa kwisyaho kandi ngo gahendera gacenjire ahagwe kireki tukusima mnonga yogomere nitwe aha TV West Serena Nuwamanya na Sande brand nabanda butwakora nabo tubendezo kurara kurunje.
Good Times Kawara Primary School nitwikiriza ngo uburumweji nayetenga kutandikaje kurugaha nasari kwika P7
ABC Dent na Fresh Up nibikuhereza kawo karunji munonga yejumbiro mbazi ogwa ABC Dent na Fresh Up dero oyongera kusheko mbantu otine kwetina aha kasente kache munonga
omuzire obuhanguzi nobutunga washomeseza omwana St Peter's SS Bombo Kalule eryebembera gandi kubangura beji okutunga obuhango bwo mutano aha ruringo rwa senior
Good Times Kawara Primary School nitwikiriza ngo uburumweji nayetenga kutandikaje kurugaha nasari kwika P7
ABC Dent na Fresh Up nibikuhereza kawo karunji munonga yejumbiro mbazi ogwa ABC Dent na Fresh Up dero oyongera kusheko mbantu otine kwetina aha kasente kache munonga
omuzire obuhanguzi nobutunga washomeseza omwana St Peter's SS Bombo Kalule eryebembera gandi kubangura beji okutunga obuhango bwo mutano aha ruringo rwa senior
Ukumbireba ni kukibaho
Fresh Uganda ekitongore ekirize okutereza amashanyarazi gizoba behireyo okuhindura amagara gawe
oyine mbogoka naba mu rugi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje
Tina Events bakuretera umuhereza bw'ururengo rw'ensiyona ubwa decoration mega tent hamwe na tent zebike bindi byona akasete kensheko
Summit Gold Hotel ni twoburaro mwo murembe buri kisenge kiri mu DSTV intercom na wifi tuneza cottages za gardens impango ezokorera mu amajenyi
Kibura Girls Secondary School, the premier girls secondary school located in the heart of Ibanda town near the Diocese of Northwest Ankole Ibanda.
Program okumbireba musibireje basebo nabanyabakundeba yes Summit Gold Hotel Biharwe niyo yo kubasa kuzayo okabyama omukashisho ka urubunyonyi bwonka mukusimira ukashanga breakfast continental eryaho no toteri shore byo kuri byawerayo na bweru bashija muzo moteri ezirabaherezo busindi so tuwoine safari watunga breakfast yawejo no basagaruka mu evening okirije nikakurara mu hotel bakuza kwakagata na ka chapati na nihurro ukashanga bintu kandi twine byo kurya very cheap embogo drink nicho chonka echo kunywa okabaje ende yo kubore byo kurya matini kurya mapapara na mapera mana na watermelon please nyembogo kombucha mixture neza kutereza je omunda chubura girls ndisho